Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, eventually. And welcome back to the Exploring Yeti. We are here with another room tour at Hyatt Regency in Orange County. This day we are staying in a one bedroom suite. So we're not staying in a 2-bedroom. It's just myself and my wife, but we are staying here in the 1 bedroom. So as soon as you walk in, we have a couch right over here. And right over here, we have a desk, a nice long desk. So if you're here for the weekend and you're gonna, if you have a conference or if you're doing some work or you're working on editing or anything like that, you're gonna have a nice long desk over here. And you're gonna have a pretty large TV. That is gonna be a 65-inch TV. It might even be a 70. This thing is large.
Bigger than our neighbor.
Yes. This is one of the things I love about this property here is that they have taken the time to update quite a few of their amenities. But the TVs are huge. So there's no lack there where you're sitting, far away and the TV small. Anyway, they do have a phone, so you can call down front desk over here. And a nice little light right over here. I like these lights. These things are kind of cool. Check that out. Anyway. And like I said, couch right over here with the chaise lounger. We have a nice little coffee table here. And right next to it, we have a little small table that you can move around. Place underneath the couch there. So if you're having breakfast in a room or you called up room service, you can sit right over there and have a little bit of breakfast. Okay, and well, we have a light here as well. Nice little light. Oh, that's bright. All right. And then also, I like these little touches that they do here. Since we are next to Disneyland, I love the monorail, and I love these couple of pictures here of the monorail, the Disneyland monorail. They are super awesome. I love it. Those are little touches that I love here. All right, moving on. You're gonna come to kind of like a wet bar kind of area, but not really wet bar. But there is a microwave right down there. We also have a coffee maker here. It looks like it's gonna be a Keurig, but we do have K-cups here. They're gonna go on them. We have a little bit of tea, a couple cups, a little bit of tea here, a couple cups there in the back. Complimentary water for elite members. So if you do take these, if you're not an elite member, they're going to charge you $3 per water. We bought a whole case of water, so we're not going to worry about that. You have your ice bucket right over here. Down here, you're going to have your refrigerator right down there. We've already kind of stocked it with a few of our items here. A little bit of Gatorade and a little bit of water for our long Disneyland days coming ahead. All right, and across from this little bar area, we are going to have the bathroom. So just very standard bathroom, toilet there. It's not a double sink or double vanity. It's just one sink here. We also have this little mirror here to put on your makeup mirror. Put on your makeup, or use your tweezers or whatever need be. A little bit of amenities here. This is your hand soap here. What brand is that? Pharmacopoeia. I haven't heard of that brand, but we're gonna try it out. Some hand lotion here. Oh, they got some scope back here, and 2 tubes of toothpaste, and then you also have like some makeup remover here, some cotton balls. So if you guys have watched any of our previous room tours, you know that we like to stay at the Intercontinental, sorry, we call it the Interconti. But we do like our little amenities that come with the hotel room, and that's another thing that Hyatt does right, is that they will leave us little amenities like that. So if you happen to leave your makeup remover or you need a shower cap, or cotton swabs, cotton Q-tips, they're here. All right. We also have some tissue paper. Down here, you're gonna find your blow dryer. It's not a Dyson, but you know. And we always travel with the Squatty Potty. If you use a Squatty Potty, leave a comment down below. Let us know how you love your Squatty Potty, or if you don't. And another little accent for Disney. This is not our castle here. This looks like Magic Kingdom's castle, but that's okay. We won't fault them for that. They did go and they put a castle in because they know that this is close to the Disney property. Anyway, I'm rambling today, huh? That coffee hit. We got a shower right over here. Just a little easy, a little simple shower head over here. It's not like a rainfall. Oh, we got a few more towels right over here as well. So total of 5 body towels in the room, which is, that should be enough. And some more of their shampoos, body wash, conditioners, Pharmacopoeia. Have you heard of that brand, hon? Neither of us had heard of that brand. I'm eager to try it and see how it works out. But that's going to be the restroom or the bathroom. Oh, there also is a shower mat over here, and then a little towel to put down below so you don't get water all over the bathroom. That's going to be the bathroom. All right, let's move on to the bedroom. So, since we do have a suite, we can actually close off this section here to this side of the room. So if you actually are staying with people, oh, you know what? We didn't check. Let me go back. Let me backtrack and see if this is, it is a pull-out couch. So because we are staying in a suite, we do have a pull-out couch. So this technically can sleep 4 people. 5 would be pushing it, but 4 people. I mean, someone can sleep over there on the chaise lounger.
Yeah, someone you don't really like.
Someone you don't really like, absolutely. And you know, you have your pull-out couch here. You can close that area off there and have it separate from, you know, your sleeping area in this area over here. So let's open these doors back up and let's take a tour of the bedroom. Alrighty, so we have a king size bed. All right, check that out. Over on this side, which would be my wife's side, there's another phone. We have a nice bright lamp. Don't mind any of that stuff there. Bedside table here. There are no USB plugs on the lamp, which is kind of unfortunate. So you know, that's one thing that I like hotels, especially if you're paying a high price for a hotel room, to include are more USB or more places to charge and plug in your devices. All right, so on this side, which would be my side, we have another bedside table with a nice bright lamp, and we also have an alarm clock. This alarm clock does have USBs and outlets on top. We don't use alarm clocks ever. In fact, the last time I used an alarm clock, I was probably 16, and that was what I used to wake myself up to go to high school. Eons ago. We'll get back to this over here. Over here, we do have 2 closets on this little entertainment area. So, as you can see, my wife has already started unpacking, but they have some linens up top up here, some extra linens for the bed. They do provide about what, 8 hangers? 7, 8 hangers? 8 hangers to hang your stuff up. And they have a couple more drawers down here. Like I said, that's all my wife's stuff. She's already started unpacking. And they have a nice size TV. I'm gonna call this a 50-inch TV, but it's decent. You guys, we're not looking at like a 23-inch TV. It's a decent sized TV, and it's not too far away from the bed, which is also nice because we old. They do have a safe up here on this side, so on days where I'm editing or something like that, I can put my laptop or your jewelry or extra cash, whatever it may be, your valuables, right up there in that safe. There is an iron with the ironing board, and you have your laundry bag and this little paper for dry cleaning on laundry. And they also have a luggage rack right down here, and a nice full-length mirror. Hello. That is a little dirty. That's okay. We're gonna close that. All right, and what do we have here? Oh, a notepad with a pen. So if you need to take some notes, jot down any reservations that you may have for any kind of Disney restaurants, you can do that, or you know, your reservations, and some more of the artwork. Now this is from our Disneyland out here. That is the Incredicoaster, now the Incredicoaster. Previous it was, what was the name of the road?
California Screaming.
California Screaming. Why can I not remember that? California Screaming, and then we have the Death Ferris wheel that my wife hates riding. Yes. But okay, so what I wanted to talk about is this view here. So we have a view of the atrium, which is the interior of the hotel, if you guys can see that down there. We are not facing the park because sometimes they'll put us on the opposite side of the hotel and we're kind of facing kind of northwest-ish and we can see the park. But I don't actually mind this view from here. And it's gonna keep the room a lot cooler. Like if you put your hand on the glass, the sun isn't, you know, blasting through the windows, and the room is actually going to be a little more tempered. So this is room 857. We're on the 8th floor on the north tower, and like I said, it's a really good room. We're settling in. We're going to enjoy our time here. But this has been the Hyatt Regency in Orange County near Disneyland. Thank you for watching our room tour. We hope you guys are having a lovely day, lovely weekend. Happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa. What am I forgetting?
Merry everything.
Merry everything. And click on one of the other videos and watch another one of our room tours. We hope you guys are doing well. We'll see you guys again. Take care, be safe, and be kind. Goodbye, everyone.